Hello everyone, welcome back Tech World family. Today we are going to see about how to calculate the duration between selected date range, like a day wise or month wise, year wise, quarter wise, or week wise in Power BI technology. Let's go. So I'm just opening Power BI and I have already created the tables. Already have tables. So now I'm taking a columns like a fact internet sales table. I'm taking a column as order date and I'm selecting the slicer. Order date is slicer. So I'm changing the format, slicer setting. It's not showing okay. Again I'm taking order date. Just removing. So I'm taking order date. So now it is showing a order date format. Again, so here I can the start date to 2010 and end date is 2014. Now I'm making a column type. So now I'm going to create a new table. So I'm making the column like a type. So mention day, month, sorry, week, month, quarter, year. So the table name like selection date. I mentioned the table name like a selection date and the values are day, week, month, quarter and year. So I'm creating one table. Table is loading. Now the table is created selection date. So I'm taking same slicer, selection date. So here I'm making a slicer setting. Selection is single select. I'm just enabling. So now two things are created. Now I'm going to create one more thing, the count values to show in cart. Okay, this is total count, difference between while I'm selecting each month, quarter, week, year, it will show the total difference between both from date and to date. So now I'm going to create a measure. So create a new measure. First of all, I'm creating order date for from date and to date. So from date equal to first date of order date. So from date, so from date created here. Same way I need to create a one more measure to date. To date, last day, order date, like a FactInternetSales order date column. So just I'm creating. So I have created from date and to date, and this one I'm want to get this select value. So create a new measure. Selection type equal to selected value of selection date, selection date, date type. So I have created from date, to date, and selection type. Now I'm going to cart. I'm creating new measure. I want to count where I have one variable get a first selected first date from date. So now I'm going to create a variable to assign that first measure where select from date equal to from date measure from date comma sorry space where select from, so I mentioned like a to date equal to, and that is to date where selection type select type. Sorry, selection type where total count to if selection type equal to year, then DateDiff start date. Start date is select start from start date comma select end date comma year. So string on this here capital, everything will be a capital YR. Same way we need to do all the thing. So just I'm copying this thing. If selection type month week selection type week quarter so year week month day. Control to that count value next function later started from d to d section type. So I have added the return value, the count value, that is the count value. So I'm just checking. It's created count value. Now we can see, can add this count value. So 161 weeks. So per day 1126 count, per month 37 count, per quarter 13 quarters, per year 4 years. Difference between selected date range. So now I'm making the selected date range like 2021 31st. So 1 year total difference. Week is 52 weeks, quarter is 4 quarters, month is 12 months, and day is 367 days. Thanks for joining our session. Please subscribe our channel to get more concept like this. Thank you all. Bye.